Sometimes I was here and I wonder how I differ. Taxi cabs keep rolling by and a blind man asks for a change. Here I stand, soldier in the rain. Coming home was all I thought of, seeing my family and friends. They say love knows no distance, but the longing never ends. And all alone, these dreams that possess my heart never were to blame. Here I stand, soldier in the rain. I remember years ago, I had so many plans. Now I watch the river flow, time has brought me here with empty hands. With empty hand. Morning clouds are gathering around and the streets are full of reflection. Traffic light and the moon still bright, people going in different directions. I've thought about why I'm here, it's just too hard to explain.